Alright, hi 7th grade band. So I made some practice tracks for you and I want to use this video to show you how to use them. They're really simple. Okay, it has instructions. So if it says play just the first 4 notes up, you're going to play just the first 4 notes up. And then you're going to repeat that. You're going to do each of these instructions a total of 3 times in a row, and then you just listen for the next set of instructions. Okay, so I'll help you out with this video and I'll play along with you this time. 5-minute workout. C minor scale. First 4 notes up. 1, 2, ready, go. Now you rest and then come back in again. And now you'll do it the 3rd and final time. Now listen for the instructions. What happens next? First 4 notes down. 4 notes down. 1, 2, ready, go. And then of course you repeat it. Last time. Now we gotta wait and listen for the instructions. What do we gotta do next? Up the scale. Going all the way up the scale. Ready, go. And now our last time. Down the scale. 1, 2, ready, go. We'll do it again and repeat it. And now the very last time. Up and down the scale. 1, 2, ready, go. Do it again. Ready, go. Last time. Ready, go. Dance break. So you gotta dance. Those are the instructions.
Hi guys, it's Gary. So I'm just here. I want to say good luck to all you guys. You're all super duper cool. I wish I could do the stuff you guys do, but I'll just leave it to the experts.
Arpeggio, 3 notes. New instructions. 1, 2, ready, go. Now repeat it again. And this will be the 3rd and last time on that. Now the new instructions. Arpeggio, 4 notes. 2 and ready, go. Another set of instructions. Arpeggio, up and down. 1, 2, ready, go. Do it again. Ready, go. One last time. Ready, go. You're done. Alright, so it's that simple.
You guys did great. Oh, you guys are so awesome.
Hope you guys had fun with that.